A man who killed a New Cumberland police officer is heading back to prison today to spend the rest of his life behind bars. The crime took place more than 30 years ago, and the death sentence Seifullah Abdul-Salaam originally received was overturned. Fox 43's Matt Kleindens was in Carlisle for the sentencing and joins us now in studio with the latest.
Well, Amy, Seifullah Abdul-Salaam was sentenced to life without parole after a jury was unable to reach a decision on whether to give him the death penalty for killing Officer Will Cole. Abdul-Salaam today thanked the jury for their compassion, while Cole's family and fellow officers expressed disappointment over the ruling. Police across Cumberland County are coming together after the final sentencing of Seifullah Abdul-Salaam.
I was disappointed, obviously. I think this impacted my officers that are in the department today.
On Friday, Abdul-Salaam was officially resentenced to life in prison for the murder of New Cumberland police officer Will Cole in 1994. He was originally given the death penalty before it was overturned by a federal judge in 2018. New Cumberland police officer Richard Wiley says the new ruling was hard for his officers to accept.
Not one person's left in the department right now when this occurred, but they all felt the sorrow and anguish that the community felt back in 1994.
Officer Cole's sister Wendy told the court she was upset about the decision and says her family has never been the same since his passing. Another person told the court that New Cumberland lost its innocence after the shooting.
Old wounds were ripped open decades later. That's not a small thing.
District Attorney Sean McCormack says it was important to re-pursue the death penalty, even as a moratorium on executions continues in Pennsylvania.
I have personally struggled with the death penalty over the years. But as I said at the beginning, I took an oath as the district attorney to uphold the law.
Officers hope Abdul-Salaam makes the most of his second chance of life and changes for the better.
Hopefully he does, and maybe he can make an impact on someone's life that will make better decisions.
And before he left the courtroom, Abdul-Salaam apologized to Officer Cole's family and the entire New Cumberland community for the pain that he has caused. District Attorney McCormack says this may have been the first time that he admitted what he did 30 years ago. Amy?
All right, appreciate you following this story. Matt Kleindens, thanks so much.